This will be their first of 3 passes, ladies and gentlemen. Great opportunity for you to get a picture of these iconic supersonic jet trainers right here. You notice the iconic shape. The Thunderbirds used to fly this aircraft many years ago. You see the black paint scheme on these aircraft, very unique. That is because they are part of the 13th Bomb Squadron, the Grim Reapers. Their other day aircraft that they fly is the B-2 stealth bomber. They use the T-38 to train and prepare for their flights in the B-2. The 13th Bomb D1. The A models that were initially there have been upgraded to now we have the C model that has a glass cockpit with the integrated avionics displays, heads-up displays, and a no-drop bomb scoring system so that they can learn. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, here is the 13th Bomb Squadron and their T-38s. As they circle around for one last pass, if you haven't gotten a picture of these iconic flying system. Now this aircraft with the new upgraded engines and everything needs as little as 2,300 feet. Yes, only 2,300 feet of runway to take off, and it can climb from sea level to 30,000 feet in 1 minute. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you see them circling again straight